Students who are hungry, I just kindly request them to go to the dining hall to have their lunch. Students, teachers, parents, everyone present here. Whoever is hungry, kindly go to the dining hall. At least I'm not able to go to the dining hall. At least you people are lucky enough to go to the dining hall. Please.
Girls, now we'll wind up the morning session with one more group dance by Shweta and group. After that, Adish, you can go and have your lunch.
Thank you. Till they come, we'll have some chat. So guys, yeah, people are moving for the lunch. Why are the people here not moving? Not feeling hungry, is it? Very bad, very bad, very bad. And after lunch, there'll be more better programs. So I request all the students to be back here by sharp 1:15, 1:15 p.m. I request all the students to be present back. Well, I'm not taking away your time, so I would like to call upon Shweta and group to show their performance. Yeah, you can start.
मेरे का साहिल हो Yeah, alright. क्या मैंने सोचा और क्या हुआ, क्या दिल ने चाहा और क्या मिला, अब जीत कैसी और हार क्या, किस पे भरोसा एतबार क्या, फिर भी दिल में आस है, आंखों में तलाश है, तुम जो साथ हो, एक सुबह आएगी, रोशनी जलाएगी, अब की जो रात हो, one love, धड़कन कहे one love, मिल कर रहे one love, एक आसमां है जहां one love, नया जोश है one love, नई सोच है one love, हमें है यकीन one love is all we need. It's late at night, I'm still wide awake. Think this is far more than I can take. I thought my heart could never break. Now I know that's one big mistake. I refuse to give up. I refuse to give in. You're my everything.
That's right. Come on.
I don't wanna give up. I don't wanna give in. No, no. Everybody sing. One love for the mother's pride. One love for the times we cried. One love, gotta stay alive. I will survive. One love for the city streets. One love for the hip hop beats. One love, oh I do believe. One love is all we need.
That's right.
Baby, just love me, love me, love me. Baby, just hold me, hold me, hold me. Oh, love me, love me, love me. One love. Baby, just love me, love me, love me. Baby, just hold me, hold me, hold me. Oh, love me, love me, love me. One love for the mother's pride. One love for the times we cried. One love, gotta stay alive. Oh, I will survive. One love for the city streets. One love for the hip hop beats. One love, oh I do believe. One love is all we need. One love, धड़कन कहे. One love, मिल कर रहे. One love, एक आसमां है जहां. One love, नया जोश है. One love, नई सोच है. One love, हमें है यकीन. One love is all we need.
Thank you, girls, for this wonderful display. So next, what? What? I'm feeling hungry and you people are getting affected. Anyways,
Please
first
stop
sem
it.
students can make their move to the dining hall. Only the first semester students. And I also request them to be back here by sharp 1:15 p.m. 1.15 and not 1.50. And I request all the second year and the third year students to be seated back here. I also request all the dignitaries present here to kindly have a delicious meal today. That'll be better, I guess. So what do you say? Shall we talk about the India-Pakistan match today? What? Kabaddi. So what do you want to speak regarding Kabaddi? You can come on to the dais and speak. Come on, Raja Sarkar. Come on. If you want to speak regarding Kabaddi, by all means you can. You want to play Kabaddi? You can come on to the dais and do that too. So, Swati, what do you feel regarding today's program? No answer. She's busy handling her mic, you see. Well, I'll take our own time. No. Very bad, very bad, very bad.
Hey guys, Ajish is a good singer. So let's have a song from Ajish. Ajish, please, one song.
Guys,
Please encourage him, guys.
well. She said I'm a good singer, right? Hearing my voice, do you people feel I'll be a good singer?
Yes, of course.
By no means.
Please,
I'll-
Ajish, one song.
By no means.
Guys, encourage him, say him to sing a song.
No,
No.
good. That's the spirit. No.
Dance from him.
No, see, people don't want me to sing. Even if one is against, I don't want to sing, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm not going to sing. So, Kiran, do you want to speak something? No, huh? Very bad, yaar. Any other program? What is this? All flat. Well, any person interested to sing a song here?
Girls, anyone?
Even boys are open, okay? No partiality. And he wears such t-shirts and comes to college.
This is just for mad ads, dude.
Oh, it's for mad ads. Okay, fine. Consideration, okay? We'll give him a consideration. It's just for mad ads. So, what else, dude? What do you find different in this college? After you enter, what you felt when you came to this college first? What you thought you wanted in this college? What you have got? And what is the experience in short?
As soon as we enter, we feel bugging. No
feel
friends, no friends.
Okay.
Then later on, it was good. Making friends and all.
Okay, how do you feel your seniors are?
Seniors, yeah, great.
How is the Mech seniors especially?
Yeah, rocking.
Rocking. So Mech seniors here? Mech seniors rock. Okay, Mech juniors and every department rocks. It's not only Mech, every department in our college rocks, okay? Yeah, fine. Thank you, Mahindra. It was good to have you two with us.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day. Anybody else who wants to come forward? Pardon? Juniors mechanical want to dance. We'll have it some other day. Shortage of time. But still, shortage of time. Okay. One sec, guys. Be and stay. I'll just come back. Any MBA freshers here? Jinkamari is not me, it is Sumant. But he is not present here. That is, I'll tell you the name later, okay? Anything else? Anybody from girl? Nothing more than that. Okay, fine. No MBA freshers here. Anybody who wants to come and speak a few words? Come on, Raja, come on to the dais. Come on, dude, come on. Come, Raja. Come. So, Prakash, you know Prakash? Fine. So, Prakash, you sing real good English songs, right?
Not so well.
But anyways, better than me. So, kindly, just few lines of your favorite English song. Guys, encourage him. And girls, you too. Encourage. Come on, dude. Prakash, do it.
I got my first real six ring. Bought it at the 5 and dime. Played it till the fingers bled. It was the summer of '69. Yeah, me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit, Judy got married. Shouldn't know, we never get far. How could I look back now? I thought that it would last forever. And if I had the choice, Yeah, I always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life.
Thank you, dude, for this wonderful song.
Thanks.
Do you want anybody else to give you a company for singing another song? Your selection. Anybody?
Mahendra.
You know, Mahendra has become very famous. Naga Mahendra has become very famous. People
Naga.
want him. Naga, so come on again. And there is one more announcement. Okay, that I'll give at the end of the day. It is somewhat like everyone wants to hear regarding that announcement. I'll be giving it at the end of the day, okay? So just remember that. Just without forgetting, ask me, I'll be telling you. This announcement is for Pradeep sir. Wherever he is present, I kindly request him to come onto the dais. Pradeep sir from Electronics Department. Sir is here. Call once and he's here. So, both want to sing? Both want to sing? You can't sing, huh? Why? You can dance. So you want him to dance now? Just here, have. Dude, a song. Okay, one sec. Which song do you want?
Nakumuka.
Nakumuka.
Guys, I'm a bad dancer, so encourage me.
It's okay. Anyways, he's our guy, so we need to support
See you
him.
fight, Bob.
We need to support him. He's our guy. Okay? Support him, guys.
Hey buddy, this is a song which is gonna be a massive hit of the year. Thank you.
Come on, guys, encourage. Come on, guys. So bad, then you should have come and danced here.